What if I told you that we'll be turning this cream cheese into this in just 5 minutes? It is soft and pillowy and it tastes so great. This is a healthy option for breakfast and it's so easy to make. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. For this recipe, we need just 3 ingredients. 3 cups of all-purpose flour and half cup of sugar. You can replace the sugar totally with honey. Mix together to properly combine. Then for the star of the show, the cream cheese. You can use any brand of your choice. We will be needing 2 cups of the cream cheese. Mix very well to properly combine. After mixing, the texture should look like this. After that, we add some vegetable oil to a saucepan on a medium heat. Get your oil temperature to moderate hot, that is 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we will use our ice cream scoop to scoop the batter into the oil for frying. While it's frying, remember to turn at intervals until it's evenly fried and it looks golden brown in color. After you have achieved your desired color, take out from the oil and transfer to a plate layered with serviette papers. Now let's fry the second batch. Repeat the process until you have fried up all the dough. Now that we have finished frying, it's time to enjoy this goodness. If you enjoyed watching this video, please support my channel by subscribing, commenting, liking and also sharing with your loved ones. With little effort and minimal ingredients, you have yourself a healthy breakfast that can last you for days. It is soft and pillowy and absolutely delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be making this recipe at home, and I would also love to read about your questions, your suggestions and your recommendations. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.